You too. No, my customer didn't say nothing about, man, you need to wash your face or nothing. Thought I'd come to you this afternoon and talk to you about tune-ups. Tune-ups. I don't call it a tune-up because all you're doing for a lawnmower or for an ATV for that matter, you're putting a new spark plug in it, you're putting a new air filter on it, changing the oil and oil filter, but that should make it run a little bit better. But if you do not if your lawnmower is giving troubles, don't expect a tune-up or a service to fix it. Don't expect a tune-up or a service to fix it. Because it's not a fix. It's not a fix. It's not a fix. It's not a fix. A service is not a fix. A service is just that. You're maintaining that machine to make it last longer. And if you don't maintain that machine every 30 to 50 hours, and I'm talking about every 30 to 50 hours of use, then you're not doing it justice. One of my customers, Mrs. Wiesnott over in Lufkin, Texas. She has a Craftsman lawnmower that was 18 years old last year, and I changed the oil in it, and you could read a newspaper through that oil. We service that thing every spring and at the end of every summer. New air filter, fuel filter, oil change, spark plugs. The thing ran like a brand new lawnmower. Real Kohler engine, old Kohler engine, 20 years old nearly. I love that woman to death. She was the sweetest lady you ever met in your life. She was not scared to drop $250 in her lawnmower every spring and every fall, like clockwork. She never washed her lawnmower. You walk up there and take your finger and scoop a quarter-inch of dust off of it. But I never, ever, hardly ever had to go out and change any bearings, any belts, anything. She just bragged, "Oh, Chris, I am so happy to see you. If it wasn't for you, my lawnmower wouldn't run so good. It never gives me any problems. Thank you, Chris, for taking such good care of this old lady." Sure enough. You know how it is, a little widow woman. I can't do anything for myself. I need a man, but I don't have one. You'll do, though. I love you, Chris. You're just as good as gold to me. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Love that little lady. She said she wanted to buy a new lawnmower. I gave her my home phone number. Told her that I would come over and go with her to help her buy a new lawnmower. Would not let her buy a piece of junk. Anyway, so that's it. That's it. If you're expecting your lawnmower's old and the oil in it don't look good, you don't even remember the last time you checked the oil. But you check the oil and it's got oil in it every time you run it. But you don't change it. Don't expect a tune-up or a full service to fix what's wrong with it. You know. It's just not going to do it. The condition of your engine oil is the life of your engine. The condition of your air filter is like the lungs of your engine. You're steadily feeding it a menu of dust and dirt. Don't expect it to be able to breathe very long. Anyway, I'm going to get off here. Enjoy it. Y'all have a great day. I'm out of here. Smash the like button. Ring the bell. Leave a comment. Call me a jerk.
Subscribe.
I'm out of here.